In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Samsung dishwasher SC or 5C error, drain problem, filter clean and reset. Fix 1. Turn off and reset. First of all, you just have to switch off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power source before cleaning. This will help the dishwasher to reset for 1 to 5 minutes. Once that is done, you just have to plug the dishwasher back in and test it to see whether the problem is resolved or not. Fix 2. Check and clean the filter. You have to open the dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. Then you have to remove the filter assembly from its bottom and rinse the filter under the running water to remove the food debris. In addition, clean the filter area and slump where the water drains. Fix 3. Check the drain nozzle. Locate the drain nozzle connected under the sink or air gap. Just you have to check against bends or blockage in a nozzle. If the nozzle is bent or folded, straight it up. Then deattach the nozzle and flush it with the water to clean any debris. Fix 4. Inspect the pump and impeller. Remove the bottom access panel and look for drain pump area. Then you have to inspect for debris like glass, food pieces or any obstruct in the pipe. If possible, clean any debris and verify that the impeller spins freely. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.